Do you have a social media account or a website and you are getting traffic from it and you are not making money from those traffic? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to share with you a platform called Monetag. This platform will help you make money with those traffic you are getting on your Facebook account, TikTok account, YouTube account, in fact, across all your social media platform. And even though you are using website, if you have a website, you can still make money from it. You can still make money from those traffic you are getting from your website using this platform called Monetag. And also, if you can use app to make money using Monetag. So in this video, I'm going to review to you how you can start using Monetag and start making money with those traffic you are getting across all your social media platform or your website or your app. So make sure you stick around this video and watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part, because Monetag got you covered. If you are not making money from your traffic you are getting, this time you start making money, because with just Monetag link, you can start making money for yourself. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you step-by-step method how you can just start register on Monetag and start making money from it. Let's get started. So this is what you need to do to get started. Head over to the description of this video. You are going to see a link. You are going to see the link that will bring you to an interface like this. So all you just need to do, just click on the link. And when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see monetize every audience type. As you can see, no matter what audience and what and mobile traffic you want to monetize, we are ready to meet your expectation, outstanding balance between revenue and experience for your users. So all you just need to do, you can just click on start earning, or you can go through and read more about how the website work, how the platform work. You can read more. So without wasting much of your time, I don't want to waste you guys time, you click on start earning here. And when you click on start earning, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where it will ask you to register on. So you can decide to click on continue with Google and use your Gmail account, or you can click on just put your email account here, and when you put your email account here, you are going to start to register. Now to register a new account, let me just create a new account. Let me click on create new account with email, as you can see, or let me just click on continue with Google and I will click on register. Let's click on continue, create new account with Gmail here. Let me click on continue with Google. Let me use my Google account to register. So let me select one of my Google account here. Let me just click on select. Now I'm trying to register with my Google account. Now after clicking on Google account, it will bring you to an interface like this, as you can see. So if you are individual, you just put it on individual, but if you are company, you can bring it to company, but I'm individual. Let me just put it in individual. So for personal data, so the next thing you are going to do is to put your name here, your last name here. Let me put my last name. After putting your last name, you select your country, which country you are. You select your country, any country you are. Just try to put your country. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to look for Nigeria. So this is Nigeria here. I'm going to put Nigeria, and my city, let me put Abuja. That is my city, Abuja. Then after that, you put your address here. If you have address, you just put your address here, and you put your contact. You put here which one are you using. Let me use Facebook, or let me use order. Just put it on order, and other things you can select your nickname. If you have nickname, NupeflaverTV, like my nickname, you can select it here, NupeflaverTV. Then after that, your phone number. If you have your phone number, you can also put your phone number here. Now after you put your phone number, the next thing you are going to do is to click on continue here. Then what do you monetize? If you have a website or social media traffic or anyone, so if you have a website, you can put your website. If you have your social media account like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, you can select social media account here. As you can see, monetize your social media posts, reels, short, TikTok, and other content with direct link. So let's put it on social media account, and tell us more about your audience. So you can just tell them about your audience here. You can write all these things, and after you fill all these things, you click on accept. So all you just need to do, just fill all these informations. So fill all these informations, and after you fill all this information, you click on I am not a robot here. So this just fill here, or you just put your URL, the website you want to use for the monetization. You can go and copy it. Now you can put your Facebook link here, or any link, you can just put it here. Now let me put this as example. Where do you hear about us? Let me say YouTube. Just put YouTube here. YouTube. Put Facebook here. Now after you fill all the informations, the next thing you are going to see sign up here. You click on this sign up, and as you can see all your informations, everything here, the information. Now as you can see, you don't have direct link yet, so it will bring you to an interface like this. You say you don't have direct link. Now you click on add direct link. Now as you can see, this is my direct link. Right now they have given me a direct link. Now I can copy this link. If you just copy this link, if you have a website, all you just need to do is just to go to your website, and you are going to paste this link as your advert link. If you have a website, you understand what I mean, how you can copy this link like this and you put it at your ads, that when people click on it, you'll be making money and you're going to see the money on your account. But if you have a social media account, like on your Facebook, or your post, you can be dropping this link on your comment section or your post, and when people click it, they are going to watch those ads, and you are going to be making money from this direct link. As you can see, you are going to be making money. Now when you click on statistics, this is where you are going to see all the money you have made and everything. Now as you can see, this is your statistic. This is where you are going to be seeing all the money you have made, everything. You are going to be seeing it here. So you can also click on this three dot here. When you click on this three dot by your up here, you click on this three dot. This is where you are going to see Telegram mining apps. You can join, and also your direct link. You can get your direct link, your payment here. You can set your payment, your referral. Another way you can earn money from this platform is through referral. When you click on referral program here, as you can see, you just copy your direct link here. You are going to see your direct referral link. You just read this thing, everything here, and after you read it, so that you are going to know how the referral works. So, and after that, you are going to see where you are going to see your referral. As you can see, no referral paid yet. So this is your referral link. As you can see it here, you just copy this referral link, and when you share this referral link to people and people register through your referral link, you also be earning 5% commission. As you can see, 5% of your referrals revenue by recommending us. So you'll be earning people when people use your link and sign up. You also be making some money for yourself. So this is where you get your direct link, and you can also connect your website. As you can see website here, when you click on website, this is where you are going to connect your website. You don't have a website here, so all you just need to do is just click on add website, and you are going to add your website or your app. You just put your URL of your website. You just put it here. I don't have any website right now, so you just put it here. You just click on paste, and you click on add website, and your website is going to be added. So you can also click on Telegram app mining and direct link. If you use direct link, as I've shown you before, and you come to payment, this is where you are going to see your payment. As you can see, all the money you have earned, your balance, everything. This is just a new account I opened just to show you guys, and this is the withdrawal method they have. As you can see, available payment option. If you have make money on this platform and you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw through crypto. As you can see, BP20, TRC20, all these things, you can withdraw your money through there. And also PayPal. You can use PayPal, you can use Stripe, and you can also use Payoneer to withdraw your money if you have money on your account. So this is how this platform work, that you can be using it to monetize your social media account traffic you are getting, or your website, everything, and you'll be making money from it. Now you guys have seen everything, how you can get started on Monetag from beginning to the end, and how you can get your direct link and your smart link, and also refer people on Monetag, and you'll be making some massive money for yourself with your traffic across all your social media platform or your website. So don't forget to share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video. And if this video sounds so interesting to you and you have not liked this video, like, comment, and also share. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.